So what is exactly is Google Local Service Ads? It's the new top of Google, right? You've probably are advertising with AdWords because you want to be at the very top. Now AdWords is no longer the top of Google. The new top is Google Local Service Ads if it's available in that area. So if you're only doing AdWords and Google Local Service Ads is in your city and you're getting a little bit less leads, this is probably one of the reasons why. Now, there's a couple things I want you to make note of here. With the service ads, as you see, we have highlighted in red here. There's a couple things that stand out. And the first thing is reviews, right? Consumers are looking at these three appliance repair companies, and the first thing that they're seeing is the reviews. As you see, the one on the left is 4.8, the one in the middle is 4.7, and the one on the right is 4.6. More than likely, the one with the most reviews, or the most 5-star reviews, I should say, is the first one the consumer is going to click on. So this is why it's even more important that if you're going to do Google Local Service Ads, you really need to have a plan in place to get those 5-star reviews and to get reviews as much as possible. Google currently isn't displaying the amount of reviews. They're just displaying the score at this point. All right, so the 4.8 or the 5. So the next thing is the Google Guarantee badges there. Right now, all three advertisers have the badge. The next line, they all service the same city, phone number, and they're open, right? So the only thing that really stands out here to the consumer, the first thing that's going to stand out to them is the score of your reviews. So this is why it's important if you're trying to get the most clicks. The Google Guarantee, that's basically telling consumers that Google is backing this company, right? They're standing behind the work. If it doesn't work out, they guarantee up to $2,000 that the consumer could potentially file a claim to get. All right. And here is just a blown up picture so we could actually see it a little bit better there.